Hello, students. Rawr, I'm a cat. Rawr, whatever. Okay, so let's talk about markup. Okay, if you go to a store, they obviously are making money on the stuff they're selling you. So they have to. They didn't make it in the store. They bought it from someone else. So they bought it from someone else cheap, and they sell it to you, making a little more money. So that's called a markup, right? And we're going to talk about clothes. So markup is the cost of an item. Um, so that's another thing they do is they mark stuff up and then they put it on sale. But anytime you buy something, you buy at what they call wholesale. So the store buys it at wholesale because they buy thousands of the same thing. So it's cheaper because they're saving a little money on bulk buying and shipping only once and that kind of stuff. And then they put it on the shelf and they usually double the price. That's called a markup. Okay. So let's take a look at this one right here. Markup uh, 3 by 2. So the original price was $24. And this is going to help us do the markup. So we put this at 24. And we're going to mark up 3 by 2. 1, 2, 3 by 2. Okay. Notice how we've got the squares again like we did before, except we've got some blue ones and we've got a black one. That's because if we only have two, that's the price of the shirt, the wholesale price of the shirt. So that's what the store bought it. And they have to raise it more than that price. So they're going to go more than two on the numerator, which means they're selling it for more than they bought it for. So they bought it for $24, they sell it for $36. That's a markup. So we're taking our tape diagram and we're adding a box on top. Remember, the discount is taking a box off. So adding a box on top is the markup. So this problem is saying, let's say this is kind of a cheating, shoddy little business thing where some companies will mark up a price 1 week. So they're not selling something, so they say, okay, we got to put it on sale, but we don't want to lose any money. So what they're going to do is we're going to mark it up for a week and just let it sit. Nobody's going to buy it for more expensive. But then the next week, we can say it's on sale. So here they've taken this $24 shirt, they've marked it up by 3 2s, so they're making it more expensive. And then they're going to say, we'll make it 1/4 off. So if the initial price was $24 and now it's $36, so I move this up to 36, and then they put it on sale for 1/4 off. Okay, so that was 36. So 1/4 off of 36 is $9. So how much are you paying for this dress now or this shirt? Well, 36 minus the discount of 9 would be $27. So that's why this is kind of a shoddy little business practice because it was a $24 shirt. Then they marked it up because it wasn't selling. But then the next week they had a sale, and you think you're saving money, but really you're paying. Remember, we can do 3/4. You're paying $27 for a $24 shirt. You thought you were getting a sale, but actually you got ripped off.